Welcome back, dyers and electronics enthusiasts. Today, we have an exciting video in store for you as we dive into the world of soldering stations. If you're passionate about electronics, soldering is an essential skill to master. A high-quality soldering station can make all the difference in your projects, ensuring precise and reliable soldering connections. In this video, we'll be counting down the top 5 soldering stations of 2023. We've researched and tested these stations to provide you with the ultimate list. So whether you're a hobbyist or a professional, this video is packed with valuable information to help you choose the right soldering station for your needs. Don't forget to check the links in the description for more details, and remember to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with all our future reviews and recommendations. Let's dive into the world of soldering stations. Starting at number 5, the Sugen 8620DX Hot Air Rework Station is a versatile tool designed for a wide range of applications. It features 4 working channels, CH1, CH2, CH3, CH4, with individual air volume and temperature settings, providing flexibility and convenience for different tasks. This rework station offers various protection functions and well-designed buttons for easy operation. The magnetic switch control enables convenient real-time operation, automatically putting the handle frame to sleep when the handle is placed in it. With an automatic sleep function, the parameters can be adjusted even in the sleep state, allowing for quick and efficient adjustments during work. The closed-loop sensor and Microcomputer's zero-crossing trigger temperature control ensure fast and accurate temperature adjustment, unaffected by air output. Equipped with a brushless vortex fan, the Sugen 8620DX provides adjustable airflow, catering to different heating requirements. The system also includes an automatic large air volume cooling function, which extends the life of the heating element and protects the hot air handle. Featuring a real-time DEGC/DAVE temperature display function and self-calibration of temperature, the Sugen 8620DX ensures precise temperature control. It is suitable for various applications such as component disassembly and soldering heat shrinkage, drying, paint removal, and more. With a maximum airflow of 200 liters min and a temperature range of 100 to 500 degrees Celsius, 212 degrees Fahrenheit, 932 degrees Fahrenheit, the Sugen 8620DX Hot Air Rework Station provides reliable performance for professional users requiring precise temperature control and versatility in their work. At number 4, the Sugen T3602 soldering station is a high-quality soldering tool designed for precision work. It features a LED digital display, allowing for easy and accurate temperature monitoring. The temperature range of 200 to 450 degrees Celsius or 212 to 842 degrees Fahrenheit makes it suitable for a variety of soldering applications. With its 2S rapid heating feature, the Sugen T3602 soldering station heats up quickly, saving valuable time during soldering tasks. The fast power heating system ensures efficient and consistent performance. This lead-free soldering station consumes 240 watts of power and offers an input voltage of 110 or 220 V, providing flexibility for different electrical systems. The double-station welding rework feature allows for multitasking and enhanced productivity. The Sugen T3602 soldering station is a reliable tool for professionals who require precision soldering. Its rapid heating, power efficiency, and double-station capability make it suitable for various soldering projects. At number 3, the Sugen T21 soldering station is a compact and versatile tool designed for various soldering tasks. It boasts an ergonomic handle made of high-quality materials, providing comfort during prolonged use and ensuring durability. This soldering station is compatible with JBC soldering iron tips and temperature welding rework stations, making it suitable for different models of soldering machines. Its portable and lightweight design allows for easy transportation and storage, making it a convenient choice for professionals on the go. One of the notable features of the Sugen T21 soldering station is its temperature control. The machine's temperature can be remotely controlled on the handle, offering flexibility for different welding scenarios. The all-metal heat dissipation ensures effective cooling and contributes to its long service life. The handle of the soldering station is lightweight, durable, and comfortable to hold. Its soldering surface is easy to clean, allowing for efficient maintenance and ensuring optimal performance. Overall, the Sugan T21 soldering station is a reliable and portable tool for soldering tasks. Its compatibility, ergonomic handle, and ease of use make it a suitable choice for professionals and hobbyists looking for a compact and efficient soldering solution. At number 2, the Microcomputer 2-in-1 LED digital soldering station is a powerful and versatile tool for soldering and rework applications. It combines a hot air gun and a soldering iron in one compact unit, providing convenience and efficiency. Featuring dual LCD digital displays, this soldering station allows for precise temperature control and monitoring. The displays show the temperature with high accuracy, ensuring optimal results in soldering and rework tasks. The station operates with extremely low noise, creating a comfortable and peaceful working environment. Its space-saving design is suitable for various workspaces, allowing users to maximize their available area. Safety is a key aspect of the Microcomputer 2-in-1 LED digital soldering station. It includes an intelligence self-detection function that ensures safe personal operation. Additionally, the automatic cooling function effectively prolongs the heater's life and protects the hot air gun from damage. The hot air gun provides a temperature range of 100 degrees Celsius to 480 degrees Celsius and a maximum airflow of 120 liters min. The soldering iron, with its ESD design, offers an output power of 70 W and a temperature range of 200 degrees Celsius to 480 degrees Celsius. In conclusion, the Microcomputer 2-in-1 LED digital soldering station is a reliable and efficient tool for soldering and rework applications. Its dual LCD digital displays, low noise operation, and safety features make it suitable for professionals and hobbyists alike. At number 1, the JCD 2-in-1 8898 soldering station is a versatile and efficient tool for soldering and rework tasks. With its dual LCD digital displays, it allows for precise temperature control and monitoring. The station consists of a hot air gun and a soldering iron, making it a convenient all-in-one solution. One of the standout features of this soldering station is its extremely low noise and space-saving design. It operates quietly, ensuring a comfortable working environment. The compact size makes it suitable for various workspaces, even those with limited space. Safety is a priority with the JCD 2-in-1 8898 soldering station. It includes an intelligence self-detection function that ensures safe personal operation. Additionally, it has an automatic cooling function that effectively prolongs the heater's life and protects the hot air gun. The hot air gun offers a temperature range of 100 degrees Celsius to 500 degrees Celsius and a maximum airflow of 150 liters min, allowing for precise heat application during rework tasks. The soldering iron, with its ESD design, provides an output power of 80 watts and a temperature range of 180 degrees Celsius to 500 degrees Celsius. Overall, the JCD 2-in-1 8898 soldering station is a reliable and efficient tool for soldering and rework tasks. Its dual LCD digital displays, low noise operation, and safety features make it suitable for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts.